What could a Kamala Harris victory mean for your wallet? If you are thinking taxes are just boring numbers on paper, think again. In this election, the taxes could mean more cash in your pocket, or maybe a little less. Whether you are a high earner or a small business owner or a new parent, and these changes could impact your finances directly. So, what exactly is in store, right? Stay with us as we break down the tax plans and explore how they might shake up your finances, whether you are paying savings or investing. Let's start with the big picture. On the campaign trail, the Harris made a bold promise. Harris said, "Under my economic plan, more than 100 million Americans will get a tax cut. If you're a low or a middle class earner, this could mean a break from the usual tax pressure. And for the households earning under the 400k dollars, the Harris is sticking with the current tax cut, but she's adding a twist. Enhanced support for the lower income families and the credits for the households with kids. Now, here's something that could change the family finances dramatically. On expanded child tax credit, Harris wants to increase it from the $2,000 to $3,600 per child. That's amazing. And even offer a one-time $6,000 credit for the families with the newborns. And imagine the extra help this could bring for the families managing rising costs. And the Harris plans are not just for the families and the service workers and the particularly those earning tips and could also see relief. Like Trump, she supports eliminating taxes on the trip and which could directly benefit workers in the states like Nevada and the California. For the small business owners, the Harris proposes an increased tax deduction on the startup costs and from the $5,000 to a whopping $50,000. This could be a huge boost for the new businesses looking to make a strong start. But what about the high income earners and the big corporations? That's where the Harris plans to gather her funds. High earners and with the incomes over the $400,000 may see a jump in the tax rates. And for the corporations, she's proposing an increase in the corporate tax from the 21% to the 28%. And this tax increase on corporation could generate an estimated $1.3 trillion dollars over the 10 years. But will it impact jobs and the economy? Some experts say it might slow down the job growth and the investments. And the Harris also aims to tackle wealth inequality with a billionaire minimum tax. And this would impose a 25% tax on the asset over the 5 million for the household with a net worth over the $100 million. Another controversial idea is taxing unrealized capital gains, and which means you would pay taxes on the value of the asset that you haven't even been sold yet. And for the ultra wealthy, and this could change how wealth is managed and the passed down to the heirs. So, will all these changes actually happen? That depends. And as you know, just a one day remain and the tax reform at this level requires a Congress support. And with a divided political landscape and the passing these ambitious plans may be an uphill battle. But one thing certain, your finances could look very different depending on who wins this election. So, what do you think? Are you ready for the potential tax changes? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more updates in this year, the critical election, and what it's meant for your wallet. That's all for today update. In the next video, we will meet again. Until then, take care of yourself.